Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek and today we learn the telling time in German. So today I want to show you the different ways of telling time in German. So these are the keyword of telling time. So that is time in German. Time in German, that is Zeit. Zeit means time. Zeit bedeutet time. So as ist means it is. As is personal pronoun, our personal pronoun as. It is o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Viertel is quarter. So in time, so our quarter is of 15 minutes because 60 minutes and this one is quarter. So 15 minutes is called quarter. And halb, it is half. Nach means past or after. Vor means to or before. So this is the way one could ask the time to anybody. Wie spät ist es? What time is it? So for example number 1. So when we have to say 2 o'clock, I mean 2 Uhr. So Uhr is our o'clock. So es ist 2 Uhr. It is 2 o'clock. Same. The another method is 2:14 o'clock. So es ist 2 Uhr 14. 14 is our 14. So always remind that. So Uhr in between of hour and minute, just before minute and after hour. So that is 2 Uhr 14. And the third one is 9:05. So es ist 5 nach 9. So it is 5 past 9. That is 9:05. So it is 5 minutes after of 9. So it is 5 past 9. And the past or after is our nach, is past. So es ist 5 nach 9. It is 5 past 9. Same. 3:02 o'clock. So es ist 2 nach 3. I mean 2 minutes after 3. So 2 past 3. Example 4. 8:55 o'clock. So es ist 5 vor 9. 4 is our 2 or before. So it is 5 before 9. It is about to 9 and 5 minutes is more. So it is 5 before 9. So es ist 5 vor 9. Same. If we take 9:50 Uhr. So here look at. So it is 10 minutes before 10. 10 minutes before 10. So it will be es ist 10 vor. I mean before 10 vor, it will be 10. 10. Es ist 10 vor 10. It is 10 before 10. Danke.